Well, hello my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I'm out here at the lake. And yeah, my husband brought me out here because it's a nice, beautiful, sunny day, and he wanted to go fishing, and he wanted me to go with him. Even though I have a gazillion whips in my craft room that I need to be working on right now. But y'all know what? I love my husband, so I came with him. So we'll see how this day goes. Okay, and here he is doing his thing.
Hey, I think I got some.
Okay, let's see. What is he doing? All right, well, let's see what he got.
Not too heavy.
Just thought you might enjoy seeing what he's doing his first time magnet fishing. So we'll see what he got.
The scrap metal.
What? That's not scrap metal!
What is it?
That is a tension ring for crochet!
Oh.
And those are stitch markers! And tapestry needles! Are you kidding me?
I'm ready to go home.